So one thing that you can do, and it's very easy, is just to flip everything over, all right? So we can just send the y to the numerator, but we would have to do everything the same with the right side. So basically what we would end up doing would be something like this, 1 over all of this. But since we're going to flip everything, it's going to be easier if we just write this as a whole fraction, right? So just remember that we have c over 1 over here. So we can just rewrite the right side like this, t squared plus c over 2, and on the other side we just get this. And now we just flip everything over. So we'll send the y over here, and the 1 we send it back there, and I mean down there. And we're going to do the same thing over here. We're just going to flip everything. And so we're going to have minus y equals, and the 2 is going to be up there, and then t squared plus c. And now, well, the sign, it's the same thing, so we can just change the sign on both sides, which technically, what you would have to do is to multiply by minus 1 both sides. But yeah, let's just change the sign. It's the same thing. So this y is going to be a plus. And once that we multiply by minus 1 on the other side, just remember that you just have to change the signs either on the numerator or in the denominator. Now, if we were to do this on the denominator, it wouldn't be so convenient because you would have to change the sign of both of these things because it's like one single thing in the denominator. So we can just change it up there in the numerator. So it's going to be minus 2 over t squared plus c. And this idea will work with anything. So basically, what we have just done is that whenever you have something like this, then you can just flip everything. And it's going to be the same thing. You could actually, like double check this. For example, if we just did the change in subjects of this, so this b would go to the other place, and it would be like b, c, and the d would go to the left, and then the a would go to the right like this. And oh my god, I'm sorry, I made a mistake here. So it would be, this is a mistake. I erased the thing that I shouldn't have erased. So this is going to the other side, and it's going to be multiplying, and this b is going to go to the right side also as a multiplication. And then we just have to change the subjects again, and the c is going down there, and the a is going down there. And this would be like the whole process of why is it that you can just flip everything, right? So as you can see, we have the same expression. It's just in different sides of the equation. So b over a is on the right side, but it's the same thing, It's just written in a different way, but it represents the same. So hope this helps. And see you. I don't know if there is any more doubts. I could go into more detail if you need.